getting the most out of your microwave cooking tips. It's party time at Julie and Mike's. Mike is learning all about their new microwave. For best results, always follow cooking instructions. And adjust cooking times to match microwave's power indicated in watts. Whenever cooking with sealed packages or cellophane, poke holes to improve cooking and allow steam to vent. And certain foods like potatoes, you can poke holes directly into the food itself. Do not use sealed containers. Some containers, like the one Julie is using, come with a ventilation top. Remember to stir food periodically for even cooking. And always use caution with hot containers. Perfect chili. The party snacks are ready to go. Oh boy, smells like it's time to freshen up the oven. You can boil water with cut lemons to remove odors. After a few minutes, the microwave will smell great again. Nice job, Mike. Check out our other videos for more tips and recipes. Panasonic.